Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the blue color for links in Google Docs. So let's say you're in Google Docs and you create a link. I'm going to type the word link right here and type it a few times just to make it large. I'm going to change the size of this text right here so that you can see. So let's say you're going to make a link right here and you highlight your text, you right click on it, you go to insert and you punch in your link here right here and click on apply, right? So that's how you make a link within Google Docs. No, you don't want to have it blue, right? How do you change this? It's very easy. Highlight the text, and I know it's just typically thinking right out the box. Once you highlight the text, go ahead and click on the color for text right here. And all you have to do is change the text color. So that's pretty much all that you have to do. So if you're writing in black or whatever color you're using and you don't want, whenever you add links, it shows the blue color. This is how you change it, by highlighting the text afterwards and changing the text color. Very easy and very simple. Because right now, if you look over the text, you can see that there's still a hyperlink. See, I can click on it and I can put Google. And as you can see, click on it, Google is there. And that's it, guys. If you find value here, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. And just like one of my fellow viewers who asked this question, do you know how to remove the blue color with the link? Coming from Marquez, this is how you do it. And if you guys have any further questions, I really appreciate you hit that subscribe button. And of course, always share your questions in the comments below and I'll go ahead and look at them and I'll create tutorials, try to answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.